Welcome to the first video in my Learn to Drive series for learner drivers. In this video we are going to be looking at moving away and how to control the foot pedals so we don't stall. So we're going to be doing this in two sections. One is moving away without using a gas pedal, one is moving away using a gas pedal. We are also going to be looking at when we stop, if it's clutch first or if it's brake first. So first things first, we need to have a look at what the pedals are and how we control them. So looking at the pedals, we have three pedals in front of us. So it's A, B, C, so accelerator, brake and clutch. So the right foot operates A and B, so the accelerator and the brake, and we only press these pedals down just the thickness of a coin each time. So what we're looking for is just a gentle press, just to bring the revs up a little bit on the gas pedal. If we need to go a little bit faster, we press a little bit more, then we press a little bit more. As we come off it, we just come off a thickness of a coin each time. Brake pedal, the same. We just move our right foot over to the middle pedal and we just press it down the thickness of a coin until we feel the pedal go firm. Once the pedal goes firm, the brakes are starting to work. So you just want a gentle squeeze on that brake pedal until you can feel it's actually working. The final pedal then is the clutch pedal, which is left foot only. So when we're changing gears or we're engaging gears, the clutch goes all the way to the floor, and when we want to move away, we look for the bite point first, which is roughly halfway up, and then the car should start moving, and then as you start to move away, you gently bring the clutch up. So I'm going to talk through all that first, trying to get the car moving so you can see how this works. So at the moment I haven't got the handbrake on the car, and we're going to move the car away gently. So we put the clutch to the floor. We're not going to use our right foot at the moment, and we put it into first gear. So when we move away now, I'm going to have a little look around the car, but I will put another video up above just to show you where we should be looking when we're moving away. And we don't want to be doing 6 points checks all the time. We want to be doing effective observations, and effective observations are looking around the car correctly. So the clutch has gone down, I'm in first gear, and I'm going to lift the clutch slowly now until I can feel the bite point on the car. So the bite point is where the car wants to move. So I'm going to start to bring the clutch up, and about halfway up the car is going to start to move. At that point it's moving. I'm just going to hold the clutch gently, and then I'm going to release it and just count to 3. So 1, 2, 3, and the clutch is all the way up. So now the car is moving. So this is a petrol car, and this car wants to do 5 miles an hour in first gear. So if it's a diesel car, which you're learning to drive in, the car will want to try and pull you a little bit quicker because there's a lot more torque in the engine. But what I'm going to do now, because the car's pulling itself, I'm going to put the clutch back down when I can just come over this little hump in the road, so you can see that the car will pull you. So because the car is pulling itself, I'm going to put the clutch down first, because if I go for the brake, it's going to start struggling. So I'm going to put the clutch down first, and then I'm going to gently squeeze the brake pedal until I come to a stop. So it's a nice controlled stop. Now when you come into the stop, you just want to be easing off slightly on the brake pedal so the car doesn't jolt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move away again, so no gas at all, no accelerator, and I'm just going to move away. 1, 2, 3. But this time I'm going to press the brake first so you can see what happens to the car when you press the brake first. So I'm just going to go past these vehicles on my left hand side. So the car's pulling itself, it's doing 5 miles an hour. And just as I come by this skip lorry, I'm going to go for the brake first. So if I press the brake first, the car starts to struggle. And if I keep pressing it, the car's going to stall. So this is the reason why we go for the clutch first. So I'm going to move away again. So I'm just looking for the bite point. Car's starting to move, so I'm just going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Clutch is up. So the car's moving on its own, so I'm going to stop by the arrow just in front of me. So I'm going to put the clutch down first. It's about 3 cars from where I want to stop. So the clutch goes down, gentle brake, just squeezing it gently so the car comes to a nice gradual stop. So if I want to move away now and I need to move away from something, this is how you do it with the gas pedal. So I'm going to give it a little bit of gas, just the thickness of a coin. I'm going to look for the bite point. I'm going to hold it. I'm still going to hold it because I'm coming around this turning. And now I'm going to lift the clutch up. So now the car is doing 8 miles an hour. And I'm going to take it up to 10 miles an hour. So the car's going faster than what it wants to go. Just remember it wants to be doing 5 miles an hour. So if I want to stop this time, I'm going to press the brake gently first. So again, I'm going to just go over this little brow. So I'm going to press the brake gently first. Then I'm going to put the clutch down. A little bit more brake. I'm just going to squeeze that pedal so it comes to a nice gentle stop. So I'm going to move away again now. So again, a little bit of gas first. So a little bit of gas, starting to lift the clutch, the car's starting to move, 1, 2, 3, clutch is up, and the car moves away, and I'm doing nearly 10 miles an hour now. And I'm just going to go around this car, and I'm going to stop at the same arrow again. So coming off the gas, I'm doing just under 10 miles an hour, so I'm going to go clutch first, gentle brake, just squeezing that pedal, and I'm going to come to a nice stop. So that was moving the car away without the handbrake on. This time I'm going to put the handbrake on. Now this car's got an electronic handbrake, but I will describe what happens when you start to find that bite point if you're driving a car which has got a manual handbrake. So we're going to pick the gear again. But this time what I wanted to do when you actually look for the bite point is not press the gas pedal yet. I just want to feel the back end of the car drop. So when the back end of the car drops, the car is ready to go. So I just lift it up to the bite point. I can feel the back end dropping and the car starts to rumble. So I'm going to put it back down the thickness of a coin to stop the rumble. Then I'm going to look around the car and then I'm going to give it a little bit of gas. Now if this was a manual handbrake car, this is the point you take the handbrake off, is when you get that little rumble in the car. Because it's electronic, I'm going to give it a little bit of gas first. The handbrake comes off, it's just gone off. And then I'm going to ease the clutch up. So as soon as it starts to move, just count to 3. And then we move away. So if you try and lift the clutch up with the handbrake on, whether it's a manual handbrake, so you've got the lever, or you've got an electronic handbrake, if you lift it up too high, the car will struggle and it will stall. So I hope this video has helped you understand how to control the pedals. Next video is going to be on observations when moving away. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit the bell and subscribe. And we've also got a members area now where you can join and watch videos which are not going to go onto the mainstream channel, and you have early access to any new videos coming out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.